Looks like a slow drain. This is actually one of the easiest things to fix around the house. Rather than going out and getting a chemical to pour down there, really all you need is a basic plunger and just a little bit of effort, and we can clear that drain right out. So the trick here is that you want to get a little water in it, and then you can go ahead and set your plunger right in there. And once you've got about half an inch or an inch of water, then you're going to want to plunge it. Before you do, on the back of the sink is this little hole. And if you put your thumb over that, that'll seal that so that when you go to actually plunge it, the air is forced down the pipe instead of coming out that hole. And what you're looking for is it actually to draw suction up. And then that awful icky black stuff starts to come out. And you can see that already drained much quicker. I'm going to move it to let that go down. I'm going to do it one more time just to try to do it really well. So we're letting that water fill up a bit. Turn that off, cover the hole. Give it a few good plunges. Sometimes it helps to pull the plunger away. Either way, that looks like that was it. Hope that's helpful. I forgot to tell you about the plunger that I was using in this video, so I want to show you that now. So this is a plunger that I use in the sink. It has a short handle as opposed to a long handle that you would use in the toilet bowl. And on the inside, it's flat. There is no piece that comes out and would fit inside the bottom of the toilet bowl. So when this goes over the sink, it just makes a nice seal and allows you to create that pressure that you saw in the video. So you can pick this up at your local hardware store.